Hello everyone, welcome back to the Delph Stack tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to see your Google Meet call history step by step, whether you want to check your past meetings, who you have called, or remove old records. This quick guide will help you do it easily. Let's jump in, go to your browser, and search for Google Meet. Once it opens, make sure you have signed in with your Google account like this. So after the page loads, take a look on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a few options like meetings and calls. Click on the call option. Now you will see a section labeled here history. This is where all your recent calls are listed. You will be able to see who you called, when the call happened, and other basic details. For example, I have only one call here, a missed call. So if you click on this, there would be two options, like remove from list and block user. Like if you want to remove this from the history, you can remove it. And if you want to block the user, you will never receive or call this user again. That's it. That's how you can see your Google Meet call history, the step-by-step, and even delete the ones you no longer need. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.